There's a ghostly, massive planet in our neighborhood that wants to kill you. Mars is a world where your blood would boil, your skin would freeze, and the radiation would literally shred your DNA.
Sounds lovely. Why exactly are we trying to move there again? We've gone from sending tiny rovers to openly talking about cities, farms, and children being born there. That jump feels insane.
It is insane. Mars isn't just dangerous, it's actively hostile. On Earth, nature tries to kill you accidentally. On Mars, physics does it on purpose.
So when people say terraforming, they imagine trees, oceans, blue skies. But you're saying we're not talking about landscaping, we're talking about surgery.
Planetary surgery. And it's invasive. You don't just build a colony, you re-engineer the entire planet. And there are 3 things you must fix: the cold, the atmosphere, and the lack of a magnetic field. Fail even one, and the whole dream collapses.
Let's start with the most infamous idea. Elon Musk once casually suggested nuking Mars. Was that a joke or a plan?
He was absolutely serious, and there are 2 reasons why anyone would even think of that. Second thing is sublimation. The Martian poles are covered in frozen carbon dioxide, dry ice. If you detonate nuclear devices above the poles, the heat instantly turns that solid carbon dioxide into gas, thickening the atmosphere.
So we give Mars more air by vaporizing its ice caps. That's horrifyingly clever.
And the first thing is the jumpstart effect. Mars is stuck in a frozen equilibrium. It's too cold to trap heat and too thin to warm up. A sudden greenhouse surge could push it past a tipping point.
Like shoving a stalled car downhill.
Exactly. Once the atmosphere thickens, sunlight does the rest. Ice melts, more gas enters the air. The planet warms itself.
But we just glossed over the obvious issue. Radiation. Are we seriously talking about living on a nuclear test site?
That's the engineering nightmare. You'd need extremely clean fusion devices detonated high in the atmosphere. And even then, you'd wait decades. It's fast, but violent, messy, and politically impossible.
So let's assume we don't turn Mars into a cosmic war crime. What's the peaceful option?
Then we play the long game. 2 engineering solutions. Second solution, orbital mirrors.
Giant space mirrors?
Miles wide, ultra thin, parked in orbit to focus sunlight onto the poles. No explosions, just extra energy.
And the first solution?
Super greenhouse gas factories. We'd manufacture gases like fluorocarbons. On Earth, we ban them. On Mars, we'd mass produce them.
So we'd deliberately pollute a planet.
To make it livable. These gases trap heat thousands of times better than CO2. Slow, controlled, expensive, but stable.
And terrifyingly ironic. Let's say we succeed. The temperature is perfect, but the air is still mostly carbon dioxide. We'd suffocate.
This is where physics hands the problem to biology. Step 1. Extremophiles. Bacteria, lichens, microbes that survive hell.
But bacteria don't terraform planets overnight.
Which is why we scale machines. Moxie proved we can extract oxygen from Martian air. Now imagine millions of them.
Mechanical lungs.
Exactly. But here's the hidden issue. Oxygen alone kills you. Pure oxygen turns everything into a fire hazard. Earth's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen. Mars doesn't have enough.
So we build air and then realize it's the wrong recipe.
Which means importing nitrogen, possibly by redirecting icy comets, planetary chemistry by brute force.
Even if we do all of that, Mars has no magnetic field. The sun will just rip the atmosphere away again.
My favorite problem. 2 solutions. Second thing, a superconducting ring around the equator.
A planet-sized electromagnet.
Which is insane. So the first thing is magnetic deflector at Lagrange point L1. We place a massive satellite between Mars and the Sun. It creates a magnetic umbrella that casts a shadow over the entire planet, shielding it from the solar wind.
One satellite, one artificial umbrella, you protect the entire planet. Timeline check. If we started tomorrow, when could I walk on Mars in a t-shirt without dying?
Stage 1, about a century. Thick air, no boiling blood, still need oxygen.
And trees?
1 to 10,000 years. Terraforming isn't for us. It's for descendants who won't remember Earth.
So Mars isn't a backup plan.
It's a legacy project. The hardest thing humanity will ever attempt.